The 1969 Pontiac Trans Am emerged as a symbol of raw power and innovative engineering in the era of American muscle cars. Introduced in March 1969 as an optional package on the Pontiac Firebird 400, the Trans Am was Pontiac's bold entry into the Sports Car Club of America's, SCCA, Trans Am Racing Series. Priced at $1,083, it transformed the standard Firebird into a high-performance machine, blending aggressive styling with track-ready capabilities. Under the leadership of John DeLorean, Pontiac's general manager, the Trans Am was designed to outshine rivals like the Chevrolet Camaro Z28, emphasizing superior handling and V8 muscle. Only 697 units were produced that year, 689 hardtops and just 8 convertibles, making it one of the rarest pony cars of its time. At the heart of the 1969 Trans Am Ram Air 3 was Pontiac's legendary 400 cubic inch 6.6-liter overhead valve V8 engine, codenamed L74. This powerhouse featured a cast iron block and heads, a 4.12 by 3.75-inch bore and stroke, and a 10.75-to-1 compression ratio. Fed by a Rochester 750 CFM quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor, it delivered 335 horsepower at 5,000 RPMs and 430 pound-foot of torque at 3,400. The Ram Air system included functional hood scoops that directed cool air to the engine, higher flow cylinder heads, stronger valve springs, and a more aggressive camshaft compared to the base 400. Exhaust flowed through header-like cast manifolds into a dual-pipe system with a transverse muffler. While an optional Ram Air 4 bumped output to 345 horsepower, the Ram Air 3 was the standard setup, equipping the majority of these cars with only 55 opting for the hotter 4 variant. Transmission options included a standard 3-speed manual, though most buyers chose the Muncie M20 wide ratio 4-speed or an optional automatic. Power reached the rear wheels via a GM 8.2-inch 10-bolt differential with a 3.55-to-1 ratio and safety track limited slip. The chassis was a unit body design with a bolted front subframe, front independent suspension using A-arms, coil springs, and a 1-inch anti-roll bar for enhanced stability. Rear setup featured a live axle with multi-leaf springs. Braking came from 11.12-inch vented front discs and 9.5-inch rear drums, assisted by power. Steering was a quick variable ratio power setup, turning lock to lock in 3 turns. Visually, the Trans Am stood out with its cameo ivory body accented by Tyrol blue stripes and tail panel, a high rear spoiler unique to the model, and Rally 214 by 7-inch wheels wrapped in Goodyear Polyglass F7014 tires. The interior offered deluxe trim, a rally gauge cluster, and options like a center console and tilt steering. Performance was exhilarating. Road tests clocked 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.6 seconds and a quarter mile in 15.4 seconds at 93 miles per hour, impressive for its 3,634-pound curb weight. The Trans Am's legacy endures as a holy grail for collectors, thanks to its low production and pioneering suspension tweaks derived from prototypes like the Pontiac Firebird Sprint Turismo. Though marketing was subdued amid focus on models like the GTO Judge, and sales lagged due to anticipation of the 1970 redesign, its blend of style, power, and handling set a benchmark. Today, pristine examples fetch 6 figures, embodying the unbridled spirit of 1960s Detroit muscle. Thank you for watching.